Alright, perfection. Let's see. Namaste. Garev. Ndiyepi. Sonmonani. Okay. Let's see. This is what I'm gonna need. Okay, so here by saying it's the battery and the screen replacement. Those two things, battery and the screen replacement, guys. Okay, maybe the screen is fine. What if the issue is just the glass, the charge, which usually happens with a lot of people, and they end up thinking that the issue is the screen, whereas the issue is just the glass. So yeah, I believe we have to be careful. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna look for a charger, guys. I have to find a charger for this tablets. Okay, I have to find a charger for this. Ikhona ngithina kwi-iPhone ngibone. We do have
Yeah, that's it.
All right, so guys, exactly what I was saying. The issue here, it's not the screen, but the glass will have to be replaced, and the battery will have to be replaced. It's A1475. Okay, mana jikulle kuba tlastat mase igcwele kanje mina vele ngigule because manje that is not the same. What about le? The same as this one. Okay, so guys, these are not the same, so yeah, so I will have to find the correct one. So this is not exactly the same. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Have to find. Yeah, from here there's nothing I can do. So this glass can be replaced. Yeah, boy.